Hello everyone, and check out this LARV and DER 3-piece luggage set featuring a durable olive green finish. This set includes a carry-on suitcase plus a versatile backpack and a matching toiletry bag. The hard shell is made from premium ABS material for incredible strength and impact resistance during travel. You will love the silent spinner wheels that rotate 360 degrees for effortless movement through busy airports. It also features a secure TSA lock and a sturdy 3-step telescoping handle for easy handling. The water-resistant backpack easily fits your laptop and all your essential travel accessories for any trip. Every piece is quality tested and includes a limited 2-year warranty for your peace of mind. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.